Welcome to my messy studio, everyone. My name is Mark, and I'm an art professor and an obsessive sketcher. And I'd like to tell you about my most recent streaming class called Sketching People in Pen and Watercolor, which has just been published through Vimeo. Do you dream of sitting at a cafe with a little sketchbook drawing the people around you, but don't really know how to go about it? Well, this is one of my favorite things to do, at least it was back in my younger days when I still had time. But it's still one of my favorite subjects to teach to others. So, this information-packed 4.5-hour class covers much of what you need to know to get started. The class is divided into 8 chapters, covering such topics as the sketching process and figure proportion, inking, drawing clothing, mixing skin tones, and working in different time frames from longer, more detailed work to quick sketches. All demonstrations are done in real time with extensive explanations and are accompanied by the original reference images. This class will be valuable not only to those who wish to while away the hours in coffee shops, but also to any beginning fine artist or illustrator who wants to improve at this important skill. Please visit my website for more information, the link to which I'll leave below. Thanks for watching, and see you back in my messy studio very soon. Bye-bye.